What's up, YouTube? Got another Nike outlet find for you here. This is a pair of 2017s. It's an Air Max 2017. A lot of you should be familiar with the sneaker. It's pretty special. I think it's one of the most comfortable Nike shoes of all time. If you like the way it looks, check out the StockX affiliate marketing link in the description to get a pair for yourself. It's a pretty classic silhouette. It's pretty much an all black shoe with a nice little Nike swoosh. It's quite comfortable. I'm gonna throw them on here in a second. Let me know what you think of them in the comment section below. You'll notice a lot of very interesting figures wear shoes like this. I believe Dan Bilzerian almost exclusively wears 2017s. I might be wrong about that now. But anyway, if you're interested, check out the affiliate marketing link in the description to buy them on StockX. You might find a pretty good deal there. Now let me throw them on, and you can let me know what you think about them on foot. Alright, on foot, they're pretty fire. As you can see, I got some nice pants on. There's a lot of nice stacking here. These are a pair of Scotch and Soda pants. There's another affiliate marketing link in the description to buy a similar pair on Amazon. I buy a size that's a little bit too long for me, so it stacks there, and I think that looks pretty good on sneakers. These shoes especially look quite nice. They're a pretty classic Nike silhouette. Air Max 2017s are pretty special. A full air unit, quite comfortable, great for like everyday use, working out especially. Pretty clean silhouette, as I said before. You can't really go wrong with these. Especially if you get a great pair of Scotch and Soda denim. Check out the affiliate marketing link in the description below. All around a great pair of sneakers. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and check out those links in the description. The shoes are pretty nice. I think you should definitely check out StockX and see if you can get a good deal on them. Pants are also pretty nice. Definitely check out the Amazon link and see if you can get a good deal on them. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.